No mandates. There's a lot of talk about those as our community struggles to really get a handle on this wave of COVID. Would they help? That's a good question that everyone is asking. A Midland business is taking the chance that it will, implementing a few mandates of their own. They say it's setting an example for others. Here's Francisco Soto.
I just look at my business and think, okay, how can I help most?
This is Kate Wolbert, the owner of Han Cafe. Recently, her coffee shop implemented a COVID-19 vaccine requirement among her employees.
What's happening in the community right now is that vaccinations are still low. And so it became clear to me that one way that we could make a difference is to set an example within our business and require the vaccinations of our employees. We could recommend everyone to wear masks.
Wolbert says she previously encouraged her staff to get information and look at the current situation in the community.
Generally speaking, everybody pretty much got on board, and the one that didn't get on board completely understood, and it just wasn't something that worked with her belief system, but we left on good terms, and she knows she's always welcome back if she changes her mind.
The owner for Han Cafe says decisions like these are not easy, but she hopes that this sends a message to the community.
And we've had nothing but positive support. So I would say if it's important for a business to set an example to the community of Midland, to vaccinate, which it is for us, I would say go for it.
At the moment, mask wearing is mandatory among her employees. And as for her customers,
we do encourage mask wearing. Of course, you can't wear a mask while you're eating or drinking, so we're not going to be like that.
Wolbert says to listen to health professionals as a way to give a helping hand to them and the community.
This is a real problem in the community. The hospital is getting overwhelmed, the doctors and the nurses are burnt out, and so the only ways that we can help the community are to physically serve them and or set the example, do the mask wearing, encourage everyone to jump on board.
In Midland for News West 9, I'm Francisco Soto.